Hi. So for today, you guys are going to be working with this attached slideshow that I put in Google Classroom for you. We're going to be working on this for several days, so don't feel like you have to have this all done in one class period, but we'll be definitely working on them. So it says try all of these links. There's 6 of them. If you click on these images, it'll bring you over to those links, and each one of these is a different kind of program and little activities that you guys can do. So as you complete one, you're going to take a screenshot of your results and you're going to be placing them in these boxes here. You can see that I just did a couple of samples and I have my screenshots on a couple of these. So I'm just going to explain the process. So again, you can pick whichever ones you want to start. We'll start with this one. This one's pixel art. So you hit start drawing and let's do a new drawing here and just hit new drawing. You don't have to get too crazy with any of the stuff. So basically this is your canvas. Over here are your tools. There's some colors. I want you to explore all of these little things. The pixel art is probably most like the programs that we are going to be using for this class. Kind of has similar vibes as Photoshop and Pixlr and a bunch of the other programs that I'm going to expose you to. So this one's kind of cool. So you can hit a gradient, you can pick different color gradients as you work. You can use Paint Bucket. Here's just a pencil tool and you can choose your colors. So I do want you to just kind of explore some things that you can do and spend a decent amount of time. There's also some stamps, some already existing images. If you wanted to incorporate that, you can move these images around and rotate. And so I do want you to kind of have fun with this and don't just do something for the sake of doing it, just to get it over with. I want you to kind of enjoy the process. So there are ways that you can preview it and save and all this, and you can explore what you want. But the bottom line is once you're done with it, to submit it for this assignment, you're just going to take a screenshot. So let me jump over real quick. I think I just did a... So here's your keyboard. When you want to take a screenshot, you're going to select the command button. You hold that down. You're going to hit the shift button. And then you're also going to hit the number 4. So you're going to hold all these at the same time. So you hold down shift and then command and then number 4. And then it's going to give you an opportunity to take a screenshot. So let me get out of this and take you through the process on how to do this next. So, whoops, exit drawing, there we go. Okay, so a way you make a screenshot, again, shift, command, number 4. And so what your cursor turns into is this kind of a target. You start off from the top right, bring it down to the bottom left, take a screenshot. The screenshot's going to end up on your desktop. So you're going to head over to your choice board, and it's going to be pixel art. I'm just going to get rid of the one I have, and you're going to go to insert image, upload from your computer, and here desktop, and here is where that screenshot is. And you open it up, get it in the center, make it look nice, and that's how you do a screenshot. By the way, any screenshots that you take, do not leave them on the desktop. Make sure you put them in your in your folder that you've made for the class. So you can drag this into your folder. You know, this is my computer, so I'm going to just put it right in here to pretend that I'm putting it into my period 8 folder or period 3 folder, whatever class you're in. All right. So you can also access these, not only go to the first page and click on it here, you can also access them on the actual page. So this one is a different process, a different sort of activity in which you're just dumping sand. You come up here, you can change the color, and I'd like you to fill up this space with your sand. Okay? And again, take a screenshot, command, shift, number 4, take a screenshot of this entire page, and then when you go here, you're going to fill it in. You could see like I did it here as an example. There's also one that's a spirograph kind of idea, in which you are going to drag these discs in. You can select different wheels, and you can select different colors. And again, if you see something where you can download an image, you can certainly download it, put it in your folder, and then submit it that way, submit that image that way. But all I'm looking for is just a screenshot. Another one that you can do, the color method, this is sort of a test, and at the end of the test is going to be your results. So you're going to be kind of discovering the hue, and then you drag this around until you find the hue. You try to get as accurate as you can, and you keep going through that process. Okay? And at the very, very end, after you complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's going to be 6 total. It's going to give you your results at the end of this activity, and that's what you're going to take a screenshot of. Okay? Post a screenshot of your score below at the end of your process. Street art is very, very similar to the pixeler art. It gives you a space that you can start working, and it has a bunch of tools here, a bunch of colors over here, and so explore, street art. Okay. The last one, is that the last one? I think that might be the last one. Nope, quick draw with Google. This is sort of playing Pictionary against the computer. So you have to draw a toothbrush, and you have to wait for them to guess it. Okay, and cello. I don't know, they're going to think it's a guitar. Oh, okay, got it. And a duck. Don't make fun of my drawing. Okay, all right, but you get the idea. And then you're going to get your results at the end, and you are going to post your results right here. Okay, so have fun with this. Again, take your time. You don't have to get them all done in one shot. You're going to be working on this for a couple of days. So you're going to find favorites, and I am only looking for at least 4. So there might be ones that you don't want to be part of, but there's going to be ones that you're going to focus more on. That's completely fine. Just out of the 6, you're going to do at least 4. All right, have fun, guys.